now take a deeper look at dashboards, and we are looking at this through the user Bradley Rice. Bradley Rice is the CEO of our organization, and we're looking at his homepage, and this is the dashboard that we have created for him. It has lots of reports dealing with issues that Bradley needs to see and no other manager needs to see, specifically the at-risk members reports. Bradley is the only user that is able to change a member from being at risk after they've been marked as risk. So the reports for these are very important for him to see and have access to quickly. So we put those right up at the top of his dashboard. He has several other reports dealing with the status of accounts of members, and then the number of new members per day and per month and per year. Also very important to see the purchases of mock interviews and LinkedIn reviews, and of course the completion of mock interviews and the statuses of the LinkedIn reviews. Also reports dealing with leads and new members. So all these are really important for him to be able to see, so that's why we created this dashboard for his homepage. Now if we jump over here to the dashboards tab and click on that, we can see the dashboards that Bradley has access to. Now Bradley, being the CEO, has access to all the dashboards, but we'll go ahead and click on the CEO dashboard so we can see what we've created for him. Now through here, we've got some neat things that we can do with these reports. For instance, let's look at the LinkedIn reviews purchase versus not. And we'll go ahead and click on the link that says View Report. And it'll bring up the report for this. And we can add a component directly to this report by clicking on the Add Chart button. It will add a chart, and then we can adjust the chart properties by clicking the gear and then change the way that it's displayed. Whether we like a bar chart or a donut chart. I like the bar chart, so we're going to go ahead and pick that, and then we'll click the little triangle up here by Edit and click Save. That's going to go ahead and save that in the report, update the report and save it. So now I'm going to go back to my dashboards by clicking on the Dashboards tab. Click on my CEO dashboards, and I'll show you a couple other ways that we can edit our dashboard. Go up here and click the Edit button. That brings up the reports being able to be edited. So let's look at this. If we wanted to change the way the graph was on our report for at-risk members, we can click on the pencil, and that brings up the edit component. And we can do a similar thing where we can change the way the chart is displayed for us. So instead of doing a donut chart, I decide I want to do a bar chart. I'll go ahead and click Update. And of course, if I wanted to add another component, I'll go ahead and save after that. If I wanted to go ahead and add another component, I click on the plus component. And if we needed to add another report, for instance, we find the report that we want to add it for, click Select, and then decide the chart that we want to use for it, and click Add. I've already added this to my dashboard, so I do not need to save that. So I'll go ahead and click Delete on that. But this is just an option on being able to add a component to your dashboard. So of course we can click Save, and if we go back to our home page, we should be able to see the changes we made to our at-risk members chart. So these are just a few of the things that you can do to add, edit, and of course to be able to refresh these reports and see updated reports, you just click the refresh button. And that is the CEO members dashboard.